got Matt Walker going down the track with his 1967 International. Slow but steady. And we got him stopped at 230.14. 230.14. Is he going to take the hook, or is he keeping it? He's keeping it. Okay. Green lights and green, well, not yet. Green lights and green flags for Brian with his 1995 Ford. And then if 8,500 pound local diesel class, 64 mil turbo limit, you guys can get lined up. Case file. Well, we got Mark Van Dam hooked up to the sled with his 05 shear, and we'll see how far he's got. 365 to beat. Got him stopped at 282.27, 282.27. So that'll wrap up that class. First place goes to Brian with the 1995 Ford at 365.72. Second place will go to Jake the Snake with his 08 Sierra at 330.83. Fourth place will go to Mark Van Dam with his 05 Sierra at 282.27, and fourth place to Matt Walker with his 1967 International at 230.14. That wraps up the 6,500 pound gas class.